Louisville Ladder introduces their new stocking stool series. The L2011 series provides that extra reach you need and added convenience. Available in 2, 3, and 4-step options, this series is Type 1A and rated to hold up to 300 pounds. 2 casters make this stool user-friendly, completely portable, and easy to take on the go. Just tilt and roll your stool for convenient transportation to your next spot. Promoting efficiency and productivity, this multifunctional professional top keeps tools close to the user. It includes spaces for paint cans, brushes, screwdrivers and pliers, drill slots, and hooks for hanging. Loaded with features, the L2011 series was created with a user-centered design. The tall handrail offers support and enhances user balance and stability while on the top step. The hinged handrail is provided with locks to secure in place and folds for compact storage. Wide 9-inch deep steps and platform with slip-resistant rubber tread fully support your feet for improved comfort and reduced worker fatigue. Make life a little simpler with the ease of the L2011 Stocking Stool Series by Louisville Ladder.